Welcome to this nutrition series designed to support you in your role and to help you prepare for your single service fitness assessment. For active individuals such as defence and service personnel, good nutrition will fuel your body, improve your health and well-being, and power performance. This includes improved recovery from exercise, decreased risk of injury, and achieving the best results from your training. Your nutrition is just as important as the physical training element in your fitness program. What is important to note, however, is that when it comes to nutrition, there are many factors that can make it nuanced, and it is important to remember that what works for one person doesn't always work for another. Also, your nutrition must fit with your individual goals, needs and requirements. For example, does your nutrition need to support any medical need, allergy or intolerance? Are there any cultural or ethical considerations? How does your environment impact food selection and preparation? Does your work routine or shift pattern determine your meal timings? When it comes to your nutrition, context and individual differences matter, so it is important to get the very basics right and to find a consistent way of eating that is conducive to achieving your goals, promotes good health and that you can sustain for the longer term. So what does a performance diet look like? In short, this means gravitating towards more health-promoting eating habits, eating nutrient-rich foods, meaning getting the best quality in every bite, consuming those foods in the appropriate portion sizes, eating at regular times or finding a routine that works for you, and being well hydrated and consuming healthy fluid sources. So, the goal is to consider, are there any changes you could make to your existing dietary intake that will help you reach your health and performance goals? Ask yourself, how would you rate the nutrient quality of your diet? If you regularly consume low nutrient foods, what changes could you make to improve the nutrient profile of your diet? If you are currently consuming large portion sizes, how could you gravitate towards more appropriate portions? If you rotate between long periods of not eating, then large quantities of food are consumed, what can you do to implement a better routine? And if you're not drinking enough or drinking regularly sugary, high energy fluids, what can you do to improve your daily hydration? By implementing small and simple changes, you can have a big impact on how your body responds, including physical performance, cognitive function, and emotional well-being. In this series, we will consider the key nutrients for health, well-being, and performance, food selection for enhanced diet quality, portion sizes, and hydration.